Today on Miss Craftsalot's Lair, the 7th installment of my Scrappy blanket. Hello and welcome back. I am so glad to have you here with us today. Today I am working on my Scrappy blanket. This will be the 7th strip out of 10. And if you have not been with us for the other 6 strips, I am going to tell you how I am going about making this particular blanket. Okay, for materials today, I am using a size G crochet hook. I am marking each one of the strips with a different color stitch marker, so then that way I know which one is which. Today, strip 7 is getting this dark blue stitch marker. It is a roll for color, so I am using 3 dice. I am starting off with the D20, working down to D10 as soon as I get down to 10 colors, and finally switching to the D4 when I have only 4 colors left. I also am rolling into a yarn bowl, so then that way I don't have to go chasing dice. And it was not that long ago that I got a new rug in my lair, and I realized quite quickly that these particular dice like to blend in with this particular rug. Here are those 20 colors that I have picked out for today. They were already used. They are 10 fresh colors from row 3 and row 4. So then that way they have a little bit of space from the last time they were used to now. Along with those 20 colors, I am using this particular cream color for in between the colors, and then this off-white is going, or beige, is going to be the rundown. I make 3 rows of single crochet in this down one side, so that way we have the colors kind of broke up by another neutral color. The stitch I am using for this particular blanket is the moss stitch. So I'm going to start off by chaining 20, and then in the 4th chain from the hook, I am going to make a single crochet. I'm going to chain 1, skip a chain, and work another single crochet into that next stitch. And that's what I am going to do across. That gets me 9 stitches and 8 spaces between them. And then I am going to go on with the 8 rows for that first color, 2 rows of my in between cream color, and then another 8 rows for the next color. That continues on until I have finished all 20 colors. The end of that 20th color, I am not going to be putting any cream because I am intending on doing a chase around for an edge to kind of make it all look pretty. Anyway, that is enough of me yapping. Let's get to the rolling. And let's see what our first color is going to be. 13. Okay, here we are with 1 down. Let's see this next color we've got. 5. now we're on to the D4. For the last 4 colors, I am going to roll the D20 2 times for the actual number. Then when I'm down to just 2 yarns, I am going to roll this. If it's an even number, it's going to be one color. If it is the odd number, it is going to be the other color. So I am going to go ahead and figure out what this next color is going to be. Red will be odd, green will be even. So this is where I am. It is getting late, so I am going to go for now. Tomorrow morning, I will chase down the side with this for 3 rows of single crochet, and I will show you what it looks like. And here is strip number 7 all done. I am super happy with how this particular square turned out, or yeah, with all those beautiful colors mixed in. Love it. Still have tails to hide, but that's going to be in the finishing stage of this blanket. I have 3 more strips to do, and then I can start the finishing process. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you did, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. I would love to have you here, as well as we have fun, I think. I hope. Anyway, until next time, bye!